cooking some buffalo wings in the microwave. Booty can't run the microwave. I mean, it could probably make it go for a minute or so, but it's a dumb idea to try to run this. It's about 1100 watt microwave. 2 bouts of 3 minutes. I'm not sure. I think it's rotating around. Yeah, I'm making Friday's buffalo wings. We'll see how it goes. I'm enjoying my stay out here. It's about 5 o'clock on the evening on October 6th. A couple of hot days going on, but not much. My fan's 24/7. This Blue Eddy charges up pretty easy. Over 4, maybe even 5 days between charges on it because I don't use it a lot. I have a lot of different electronic stuff to back up if I need it. I'm going to have my charging from my battery and off the generator, and got extra cords and all kinds of cables, blood pressure machines, all kinds of things. Old guy stuff. But I love it out here. Talk to you soon. There, the buffalo wings are hot. Cool to have a little bit of beer with it. Although I'm backing off from alcohol, we'll see how that goes. I'm weaning myself away from that particular vice, but wings I can hang on to. I'm liking it. This fan here goes 24/7 on the last. Coming into October, what is it today? The October 6th. This is my 3rd full week out here, moving into my 4th week. I'm enjoying it. These little hot days aren't so bad once you get used to how to live out here. I have an air conditioning that I could probably utilize my generator to run, but I really don't want to do that. It's only about 4 hours a day that are really they're not really uncomfortable. You just have to learn how to live in the shade and the breeze. That's about it out here. It's going to get downright cold over the next month or so. So these are great days when you think about it. And that's my view outside. Thank you. My favorite 5-gallon gas can. It's a Clark 5-gallon tank from a company up in Oregon. I have had that tank for, God, it has to be 13 years now. I started out on my adventures with a Dodge van, a big extended van, and through all my vehicles. It got a pinhole leak in it because the plastic got old, and it leaked in my the back of my car today. A little bit of leak. You can smell it. It's a little bright in the back of the truck, but it was annoying. Only had half gallon in it to take to fill up my generator, but it's kind of depressing. It's going off to the trash tonight. That's one of the things that happens out here. We head off down the trail and past the gully and over to the trash can, and away goes all the memories. Good night. I've got 2 fans rocking it this afternoon on my DC. That one there is plugged in under on my trailer port, and this one, of course, you can see is going to the Ludi. Charging up my laptop also. It's kind of cool. I love my fans in my tight little trailer here. I have the airflow pretty good, but it's hot today. It's October 7th, and it's it was a little over 100 degrees. And bright, shiny, a little bit of dust in the air, maybe a 10 mile an hour wind, 8-10 mile an hour wind going on out in the desert. filling up as we go. More people than there were when I showed up about 3.5 weeks ago. Well, like I said, this has been a hot week. It looks to be cooling down by Monday or Tuesday. We'll see what happens. Have a great day. Okay, it's Sunday, October 8th, and the weather hasn't been dropping substantially cooler over the last week. In fact, the way I look at the upcoming weather report, it won't drop down to decent weather until Wednesday, the 11th. So, time to get out the ice cube tray and the Gatorade. It's the afternoon. This is the warm time of the day. I'll let that steep a little while, let the ice cubes kick in. But if you're in a big hurry to get out, you might want to wait till Wednesday of this week to drive on out to the desert, because it's still a little warm. It's, I don't know, 2:30 in the afternoon right now, and peak will hit around 3:30. It'll be near 100 degrees today and Monday, and they say close to that on Tuesday, but it drops off sharply on Wednesday, according to the weather report. Then it'll probably start just oscillating on warm days through the end of the month. October normally gets pretty cooled down by the time Halloween kicks in. There's the ranger station over there, the entry station over there with the flag waving, if you can see it, letting people in. Got busier, but the poor guys keep running off to town to find bags of ice. It's tough living in your tent out here, I gotta tell you. It's hard on me out here. Some of these people run several gallons a day of gasoline running an air conditioner. I'm not falling for that. I've seen it really chew up a budget the first and last few months you hang out here. Well, I'll wind it up for today. If you like any of the videos I post, remember to hit that like button and maybe subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you.